YouTube? Check it. Today we doing some St. Louis style fried rice. Now look here, we got some sesame oil. We have some oyster sauce. We have some soy sauce. And we have some sweet soy sauce. There's a difference, y'all. Get the sweet soy sauce. Now we got 3 eggs. We got a whole onion, a whole bell pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. Check the pan, make sure it's hot, because you need it real hot when you're doing this. Screeching hot. See how that smoke coming off that oil already? Now, we need to add our onions, bell pepper, and our garlic all at the same time. We're just going to get these cooked down. And check it, y'all. If y'all like this video, please hit me with a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. And hey, leave me a comment down there at the bottom. I really will appreciate it. Check it, y'all. We're going to get these out. We're going to set these to the side in this little dish here. And look here, we're going to keep on piling stuff right into this dish. Now let's go ahead and get our eggs fried up. As you can see, I've already scrambled them ahead of time. So let's get it, y'all. Now once your eggs get cooked to the consistency that you like, go ahead and put it into your bowl and set that to the side. Now let's get our shrimp started. Gonna get our shrimp cooked. So basically we cooking everything ahead of time. Oh yeah, guys, these shrimp smell good. Now, I didn't add any seasoning to these shrimp because once you add your soy sauce and everything, you know that's enough salt for me personally. As you can see, our pan is back screaming hot before we add our rice. So let's get it, y'all. Yeah, guys, once our rice warm up, what we want to do is start adding in our sauces. Our soy sauce comes in first, then our oyster. And then we're going to add in our sweet soy sauce. Now, I have the exact measurements in the description below. Just check the description below for how much soy sauce and all that we need. So now once our rice get right, we're gonna go ahead and get our shrimp, eggs, and our vegetables in. And now guys, we done. We just mixing this up. I mean, if you cook this any longer, you're gonna have your rice sticky. You don't want that. So we ready to eat, y'all. So let's get this plated up, y'all. As you can see, it has that great color. The shrimps are perfectly cooked. So check it, y'all. I hope y'all try this dish. I know a lot of the Chinese restaurants are down now. So try it, y'all. Peace.